tiptopcarbon Wallpaper Smoothing Toolkit for Adhesive Contact Paper Application Window Film Craft Vinyl. A basic but versatile toolkit help you on wallpaper application, trimming ceiling, woodwork or baseboard projects, vinyl wrap, window tint or glass film. Red squeegee tool with big size smooths out creases and bubbles, extremely helpful when wrapping large flat surfaces. Medium hardness blue squeegee with nice size is simple to use. Felt can effectively prevent scratches. Knife with lightweight aluminum handle allows for a comfortable grip and exact cut. Come with extra 5 blades, can be replacement when knife become blunt. Art 3D smoothing tool. A versatile toolkit suitable for application of all types of wallpaper and stick-on vinyl backsplash tile, trimming ceiling, woodwork or baseboard projects, vinyl wrap, window tint or glass film. Tools function: red squeegee and blue squeegee work for smoothing and removing bubbles. Craft knife uses for accurate cutting safely. Well designed, these tools have proven to be a good supplement of DIY projects. They are: Wallpaper Smoothing Toolkit, Scraper, Carving Knife, 6 blades, Artistic Knife, 10 blades, Small Scissors, Black Tape, Cutter, Multifunctional Smoothing Tool for cutting and peeling smooth wallpaper. Valuable packaging: medium hardness squeegee, red squeegee, snitty vinyl cutter, utility knife with 10 PCS SK5 snap-off blades, carving knife with 6 blades, black tape measure, scissor. It is suitable for application of all types of wallpaper glue, contact paper peel and stick, stained glass film, vinyl windows. Rich functions: the functions of each item are irreplaceable, and they work together can be better complete your project. So, one of them can't be absent. It's a perfect combination. Zench Vinyl Wrap Toolkit, Car Felt Squeegee for Vinyl Car Wrap Kit, Window Tint Kit, Glass Graphic Decal Scraper Wallpaper Tool with Plastic Felt Edge Vinyl Squeegee, Craft Knife, Hobby Knife.